Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well. It's been a while since I posted a YouTube video here because it's been like almost 10 days. 10 days past a week, right? Yes, past a week. It's because of late I have not been feeling well, so I just have to take up my health. So I try not to put any video here or even to trade. So I've not been trading. But for today, since it's been a while, I decided to do one more live trading here for you guys to see. Since it's been like almost a week, I've not posted any live trading video here, and you guys too might be wanting to trade. So I just want to put one more live trading here. I have my laptop here that I'm going to use to trade today. So we are just going to take the trades on the laptop instead of my systems. Okay. So if you're here, welcome back once more, and stay around until we finish the live trading before you go. So you follow the steps I take, you follow how I trade, you follow how I analyze the market, how I analyze the currency meter, and then you will also be able to do the same when you're trading. So without wasting my time, then let's get started. So let me take my laptop and let's begin the trading. So let's begin with the currency meter and see what the currency meter can give us today. You know that I don't trade without the currency meter, right? The job of the currency meter is to tell me which market is strong, which market is weak. And then I'll merge the strongest market with the weakest market, and then I'll find maybe a trending market. If I want to find a ranging market, I'll just merge the strongest with the strongest, or the weakest with the weakest, because if the strong guy is fighting with the strong guy, they will be turning upside down, right? This is simple logic. If the weaker guy is fighting with the weaker guy, then they'll also be turning upside down, which is ranging market. But if one guy is stronger and one guy is weak, then definitely the trend of the fight is going to be one way, because one guy is stronger and one guy is weaker. So the other guy will be beating the other guy to the downside, right? The same happens in currency trading. If you merge the stronger currency with the weaker currency, then you are going to find a trending market. But if you merge the stronger with the stronger, you're going to find a ranging market. So let's begin with the currency meter. Let me analyze the currency meter. So follow the steps, see how I analyze it, and then you also do the same when you're also trading. On the currency meter today, as you can see, we have the JPY to be strong, the Japanese yen to be strong, and we have the USD to be weak, right? We have the USD to be weak. We also have the NZD to be strong, and we have the CAD to be weak. So the top strong ones are the JPY with the NZD, and the bottom weaker ones are the CAD and the USD. So now, if you want to find a trending market, we just merge the top and the bottom. So for instance, if you want to find a trending market, you can merge the JPY with the USD, which is USD JPY, or JPY with the CAD, Canadian dollar, which means Japanese yen with the Canadian dollar. Or if you want to find a ranging market, then you can merge the top ones because both of them are strong. So you can merge the JPY with the NZD, right? JPY with the NZD. You can merge it and find some perfect trade and then you trade. But JPY with NZD, sometimes the spread is a little wider. But either way, let's just check it. Let's check it. Maybe you can trade that one. So let's just check it. So what I'll do is I have to open my chart now. So I'll go to File, New Chart, and NZD JPY. Okay, so here we are on the NZD JPY chart, and as you can see, the market is already in a ranging mode, right? But let's zoom it out and see what's actually happening. So as you can see, there is a support zone here at the top here, right? We have to draw our structures to make our trading very easy and interesting, okay? So you can see there is a support zone at the top here. Yes, let me do this. Okay, there's support zone at the top here, and then there's another support zone down here. Can you see? Another support zone down here. Now we are drawing our structures to make our trading very interesting, okay? So there's another support zone down here. And what else can we see? We can see that the market is making some touches on these lines, right? So you can see there is a first touch here. There is a second touch here. And there is one more touch here. And you have the last touch at this zone. So with this, it tells us that the market is perfectly in a ranging mode. So what we have to do is that we have to now set up our entry criteria. So we want to wait for the market to come here and hit this upper resistance zone, and then we take the market down. But if it also comes all the way down here and hit this support zone, then we are going to take the market up. Very simple. Because support and resistance is one of the strategies that mostly works. So we should be able to trade it successfully. It's very easy to trade if you're able to draw your structures well. So now that I have done my structures, I'm done with my structures, what I have to do is that I have to know where I'm going to enter. Because just drawing the structures alone will not make you have a winning trade. You must know where you're supposed to enter. And where you're supposed to enter is the support and the resistance zones. So if the market goes up and hit the upper resistance, then I'm going to take the trade at the resistance zone. But if the markets come down and hit the lower support, then I'm going to take the trade at the lower support zone. So this is how you have to mark your chart before you begin trading, because doing this will make your chart very clear and very interesting to trade. Okay, so let's continue. So I can also see that there is a support zone in this middle here. There's a support zone here. So what I can also do is that since this support zone can be very strong, because I can see a lot of touches, then I'm going to wait. If the market also comes to hit this support zone, then I'll take the market up, because I can see that this will be a very good place to have a winning trade. Though it is very risky to do that, but I'm just trying to do that. So I'm going to take the trade here if the market comes to hit the support zone. So what I will do is that I will wait a while. Now that I've done my setup, I will wait a while and wait for the market to come and hit that particular zone before I take my trade. If the market doesn't come there, then I'll not take any trade. I'll only take a trade if the market is able to hit all the three areas that I have marked. So if the market hit the upper one, I'll take the trade. If the market hit the middle one, I'll take the trade. If I take the trade in the middle one and it turns to be a losing trade, I will still take the trade when the market goes to the bottom one or the upper one, because I can see that this is a very good setup to trade. So what I'll do is I'll wait, and then when the market is about to trigger me in, I'm going to put my orders. I'll just ride the market up. I'll just be in the range. So I'm putting my orders here. Okay. Now I'll just wait for the market to just trigger me in, and then I'll ride the market up. Okay. We are all in a range. This is why it's better if you always make the currency meter the stronger to the stronger, because you don't have to be searching for which currency pair should I trade, which currency pair should I enter, which currency pair today is better. No, you don't have to do that. Okay, so now I can see that the market is almost triggering me in. The market wants to trigger me in. I can see good. Now guys, I'm in now. We are in. So what we have to do is that I have to set my stop loss and my take profit target. So I have to pull the chart. I have to pull it and set my stop loss first. Always stop loss first, guys. Set your stop loss first. I have to set my stop loss. Okay. And one more. Let me move this one a little. Oh. Okay, so now it's time for my take profit target. So my take profit target, that one to 1 to 2. Always when you are risking, risk only 1 to 2. Okay, so take profit target 1 to 2. Okay, and okay, this is cool. And one more. Good. Okay, so now I think we are set to go. So let me clean this, because I'll not need this again. Since I'm going up already, I don't need this again. Okay, so now that we've entered, all we have to do is to wait for the market to either hit our take profit target or hit our stop loss. We cannot intervene in our trade. We must wait for the market to either hit our take profit target or hit our stop loss. Okay, so let's just keep waiting, because you can see that this is a very nice clean chart. Can you see? Nice clean chart. Let's just keep waiting. Let's wait and see what happens next. And as you can see, the market is already moving in my favor. The market is moving a little in my favor, but anything can happen. So let's just keep waiting. All what you can do is wait for the market to either hit our stop loss or our take profit targets. We should not intervene in our trade. The same way, you must also do the same when you're trading. Don't intervene in your trade. Make sure that you leave the trade after you enter. After you enter your setup, you don't do anything to the trade. Just leave it for it to play. So what I will do is that I'll just pause the recording up, and then when the market is about to maybe take me out or maybe take my profit target, then I will resume the app. Okay, guys, I'm back. As you can see, the market has been playing around. Wow, see what happened here. See what happened. Instead of the market to just go straight forward to hit our profit target, see, it has come all the way down as if it was coming to take us out. Have you seen? Guys, are you watching? Like this, and then it came all the way down here, and now there's a push up again going to our profit target. Can you see? This is very interesting. This is why if you're trading, you shouldn't be afraid, because instead of it to go all the way to our take profit target, it's rather playing around, right? It didn't touch our take profit target, and it came down. Now this one's rather going to touch. So when you're trading, don't be afraid, because trading, the chart can be very interesting, can be tricking you. Okay, so don't be afraid. You can see that now it's going to hit our profit target, but it came all the way down as if it was going to take us out, and now it's almost at our take profit target. So learn from this, guys. Learn from this. When you're trading, don't be intervening in your trade, because assuming you are watching this and you think it's going to take you out and move your position to break even and those things, you are going to miss good trades, right? Because if you are trading and you're always intervening in your trading, then the market will be tricking you. Trading is very dynamic, so you as a trader, you shouldn't be dynamic. You should be specific. Okay, you should know what you want. You should know what you're supposed to take, and you should know what you're not supposed to take. Because the market is dynamic, but you, the trader, you shouldn't be dynamic. If you follow the dynamics of the market, then you cannot also trade successfully. You as a trader, you must know what you're doing. You must trade according to your system, according to your plan. So if you enter a trade, you don't do anything until the profit target is hit or the stop loss is hit. That's all. So you can see that now it looks like we are almost out. We are almost out. The market is taking us out, and then we make our profit, and then we end this live trading. So let's wait for some more time. Okay, so it's almost taking us out. As you can see, it's almost taking us out. Patience pays. Okay, always be patient, don't be rushing. Patient pays. So you can see it's almost taking us out. Okay, so I think we are almost out. Okay, good. We are out, guys. So this successful trading, and as you can see, it was a little choppy, but the trade is still a winning trade, right? So learn something from it. If you're trading and the market is not going to favor, as if it's playing around, don't be watching the chart. After you set your stop loss or your take profit target, don't watch the chart again. Just get out. Just get somewhere. Go and drink water. Go and drink tea or something. Take something to refresh yourself. Okay. So as you can see, the market is still moving upwards after our take profit target is hit, right? So you shouldn't be afraid when you're trading. Learn lessons from this particular live trading. So that's all for today's live trading. I'm not really feeling well. So if I did not speak well, just forgive me. Let's make it next time, okay? Come back every time to watch such live videos here. This is Tola, your mentor, and I'm signing out.